to my channel. Today I'm going to be working on making some little free hand cut flowers like these. I call them doodle pops. I don't know why, I just do. And these are some I made these ones a while ago, but these ones I've been making today. I usually do this when I've got lots of tiny little scraps, things that are like this size. I just want to use them up before I chuck them out. I've got loads more than that. So I thought it's a nice way of de-stressing, and I've had a lot on my plate recently, so I thought I'd just have some playtime and I'd film it with some music just to show you what I do when I need to chill out, because I think it's really important to embrace our creativity when life is getting stressful and just enjoy playing. Okay, so I just wanted to summarise what I've been making. So I made these ones, which are like splats. They remind me of paint splats with centres. And them, I suppose, my daisy flowers. I got them all round on there. You can do them square, round, oval, whatever you like. I just think they're quirky and odd shapes. So that's those ones. This one is kind of a diamond shape, which is cool. And then I made these ones that are like roses that you saw me making in the sped up video. And then you can change it up by doing dashed lines and dots and little crosses and stuff. I did some mini ones of those. And you're welcome to copy how I've drawn any of these. And if you guys want a template or something, I'm sure I can make one. Yeah, so those are the roses and the daisies. And then I started making, I'm not entirely sure what these flowers are called. They remind me of the things you get in potpourri, or potpourri, or however you say it, or potpourri, I don't know how you say it. Those like empty cone things. And I just put some stamens in the middle. And then I made some sort of quirky made up ones. I was thinking about, okay, this is going to sound really sad, but I play this game called the Smurfs Village, and they have an alien planet, and they have all these quirky, colourful flowers on this alien planet, and it kind of reminded me of that. Then you saw me make some tulips, and those are so easy to draw once you get the hang of it. And then I made up this flower. I have no idea, that just came from my brain. Also this one. I don't know if that's in nature, but it came out of my brain. And then I made these little rose buds, and I don't know what that is. Maybe like an open tulip or an open rose bud. I just thought it was different shape and it might add some interest to my project. And then I also made tons of leaves, so long ones, short ones. I did a mixture of dashed and dotted lines and scribbly lines, and I also made some, what they called, stems. And I will come back in part 2 and show you what I did with them all. 50 awesome points to everybody who got this far in the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you can find out when I release new videos. And there are a couple of videos here for your delectation if you so desire.